Hey there, I'm about to try to start this van, and as you can see here, the battery's almost dead. It doesn't have enough left in it to start it over. So I'm going to walk around the front of the van and I'm going to jump start it with this. This is the Wolfbox 4000 amp jump starter, which is a handheld battery pack. That's what it looks like. The USB charging. Pull this little cover off. It's got an input and output here and an output here, so you can charge mobile devices like your phones and whatnot. But what we're going to do here is start this vehicle with it. So these are the jumper cables that are included. This is the cable to charge the battery, and it also comes with this plug-in standard wall mount charging brick. But as you can see here, so what we do here is on this side you have a jump cable port, pull a little cover off, and then these cables only plug in one direction, and so you can't mess it up. So make sure that's plugged in securely. This needs to be charged at least, I believe, 50 to 60%. I'm going to turn it on. Actually, before I turn it on, I am going to connect it to the car battery. So negative to negative, positive to positive, and it shows you right here that we have a 94% charge in this. Turn this on. Actually, it's on already, because then you can see where it says start. So I'm going to set this right here, and I'm going to go back inside the vehicle and start it. Come back on the front. So you see how well that worked and how easy that is? Once again, this is the 4000 amp starter from Wolfbox. It's a jump starter. It'll work on any vehicle, car, truck, even your big diesel trucks that have, really hard to start engines. It'll work on those as well. Now that the vehicle's started, I'm going to disconnect the jumper cables. Just going to unplug the jumper cables. And then you can see it only used about 3% of this battery's charge to get the vehicle running. So now I'm done with this. Just hold the button down to turn it off. And that's it. Oh, by the way, one other thing too. When it's powered on, it also has a great flashlight. This is, obviously in the daylight here, you can't see it very well, but in the night this is very bright, and it also has a flasher. So if you're stuck on the road and you need an emergency light or an emergency flasher, got everything right here. Highly recommended.